Nature is often the key to solving humanity's most mysterious medical problems. Since prehistoric times, man has made use of medicinal herbs or plants as a defense against the unknown. This is possible due to plants and their ability to naturally synthesize hundreds of chemical compounds that can be used for functions including defense against insects, fungi, diseases, and herbivorous mammals. Humanity's curiosity and examination into nature in order to better itself doesn't just stop at plants. Humans have also used animals as well for similar healing purposes. Experiments on animals can be traced all the way back to the time of Aristotle 384–332 BC, where early Greek physician-scientists performed experiments on live animals. What if I told you that scientists may have found a treatment for cancer, albeit in the unlikeliest of places? Alpacas. That's right, the long-necked fluffy-haired camelid cousins of the llama, may be the next big step in the fight against one of humanity's biggest killers. Epidermal growth factor, or EGF for short, is a protein that is found in and associated with the growth of cancer cells that scientists have been unable to block. On October 2, 2018, it was reported by Science Daily, an American news website for topical science articles, that in a study conducted by Barcelona's Institute for Research in Biomedicine and Belgium's Vrije Universiteit Brussels, researchers had identified nanobodies produced by camelids, members of the camel family in this instance, alpacas, that could potentially block EGF. In spite of advances in treatments against the EGR receptor (EGFR) in patients, their efficacy decreases over time because patients develop resistance, explain Monica Verez and Salvador Guardiola, co-authors of the study and postdoctoral researchers at IRB Barcelona. By taking advantage of an emerging biotech tool, nanobodies, we have been able to synthesize the first inhibitors with high affinity for EGF, they say. The scientist accomplished this task by immunizing an alpaca with the EGF protein, then isolating the antibody-producing B cells from the alpaca's blood. Finally, the HCAB or heavy-chain antibody domain genes of the B cells are cloned into plasmids. By injecting EGF into the alpaca, we have challenged nature to find a molecule capable of binding tightly and with high selectivity to EGF, and it has come up with two very different but equally effective solutions for such a small and difficult antigen as EGF, said Ernest Girault, head of the Peptide and Proteins Lab. While further testing is still needed, this discovery could prove beneficial for patients who develop a resistance to current EGF inhibitors. That's the end of the video. If you enjoyed, be sure to tap that like button, and subscribe for more future uploads. If you have any thoughts or questions about the video, feel free to leave them in the comment section below.